During the first 100 days of President Donald Trump's second term, immigration has been a top issue. Homeland Security releasing official numbers on deportations this week, saying more than 142,000 undocumented immigrants have been deported, with more than 9,000 people self-deporting. KGUN 9's Tina Giuliano speaks with a Tucson immigration attorney about how the landscape has changed over the last 100 days.
During the first 100 days of Trump's presidency, immigration is one of the main issues. Mass deportations and changes in immigration policy has been on immigration lawyers' minds over these last 100 days. And I spoke with one of those immigration attorneys here in Tucson about the changes happening in immigration.
I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear.
Just hours after President Trump was sworn in, he signed 139 executive orders, with immigration at the top of the list.
It's got to stop, and we've got to have the largest mass deportation effort in history, and we're going to.
In the first 100 days of Trump's second term, Homeland Security says over 142,000 undocumented immigrants have been deported.
Things are very chaotic.
Pamela Rayola-Saeed, a Tucson immigration attorney, says chaos has been the reality over the past 100 days of the Trump administration.
We are experiencing rapid changes in policy almost every day.
She says the Lake and Riley Act, one of the biggest changes,
makes individuals who are even merely accused of shoplifting subject to mandatory detention in an immigration detention center.
She says there's an even closer watch on student visas in the last 3 months.
Many students in valid visa status with merely a traffic ticket having their CVIS records terminated.
Rayola-Saeed, an American, even received a message from Homeland Security herself saying she had 7 days to leave the country.
The recklessness of this administration and the feeling that nobody really knows who's going to be let into the country, who's going to be prohibited from entering the country.
So she says her hope rests in the judges and fellow immigration attorneys.
As time moves on, we will continue to turn to the courts, and that's what we do as attorneys. We turn to the courts to make sure due process is followed.
This week, the administration is in federal court over the cancellation of student visas, even after announcing last Friday it was reinstating records for all students unintentionally caught up in the law enforcement sweep. Reporting from Tucson, Tina Giuliano, KGUN 9.